Okay, guys. Here you are. Okay. So here, everybody can see it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So here now, if I don't use the board, let me sit down because I'm getting old and tired. Okay, guys. So here we have the graph of x minus 5 squared, right? So what you can see between this graph and the equation, this equation over here, right? Something are related or not? Can you see any pattern there? Any? Okay, nobody. Let's see that one here, right? Okay, let's make it a little bit big. We don't need them. Okay, so now I have this guy here and this equation. So now I have the minimum of this. What the minimum of these numbers here and this number here looks like? Here and here.
-4.
-4 is -4 here, and -5 is 5 here. Right? So what you can relate it? Okay, let's put this one as well. You see, now I have -5, -4, +5, -5, -4. So what that form here of the equation and the vertex have in common?
Same y point or the
Y and x, right? Because remember, when we do x minus 5, right, the equation, the equation on the graph go to the right. So it's A here, is this guy here. When they do +5, go to the negative, right? So when I have this form here, means this number here, in that case, my +5, is the x negative of the vertex. And this one here is the y of the vertex, right? So let's see this guy here, right? So now this guy here is -7, -7, right? Yeah, and I have here +7. Oh, Linda disappeared. Oh, she's back. Oh, young lady. Do I have to send a fireman over there? So you see here, I have +7, +7. Here I have -7, +7, right? So this form here are related with the vertex. Means that is the vertex form of equation. You already know from before the standard form, the factor form. Now we know the vertex form, right? So if I write down, okay, let's see if it, where is my Zoom? Okay. So if I have x, sorry, I have to learn how to do it, right?
Well, I see we have not been in Khan Academy.
Yeah, well, wow, look at this, right? So I have x squared plus 4x plus 4 minus 5, right? Oops. So, yeah, I want you to try. Try it. So, oh, x is a bigger x plus 4x. Oh, that's a more normal. Minus 1. So these two guys here, can I change the color here? Oh, okay, whatever. This is the equation on the vertex form, and this is the equation on the standard form. It's exactly the same equation, right? So if you have x plus 2 squared minus 5, means the vertex is minus 2 minus 5, right? That's information I can have. If from here, I know y-intercept is minus 1. So if I change the form, I can have more information. So let's see if I can graph this, you have exactly the same answer, right? So let's see. I said was x squared, right? Plus 4x minus 1. Right? So let's clean up here. You don't need all this stuff here. I don't need this guy. What else is on here? Right? So now let's see if the stream was what I said.
To už pozrie na svojom tablete.
So minus 2, minus 5, like I said before, right? So if you come here, you see minus 2, minus 5. And I graph this guy here, right? So if you come here, you see let's zoom in. Y-intercept minus 1 here. So I'm not lying to you guys, right? Let's see this point here. See, 0 minus 1, right? So they are the same equation, okay, guys? So standard form and oops, the vertex form, okay? It's clear, guys.
Yes.
Yes, everybody, yes? Good.
Yes.
So let's clear here. And I will write down here x plus minus 6 plus 2. So, Aaron,
Yes.
what is the vertex of this equation?
Vertex.
You said you understood, right? When I asked. Somebody blink. Anna, can you help Aaron?
Sure. I'm trying to solve it.
No, you don't need to solve it. Just look at it.
Yeah.
Okay,
I know
so
that.
x.
I know.
Okay.
I know.
I know you know.
2.
I know.
Okay, tell me.
2.
Minus 6 plus 2.
No, it's plus 6. See,
Plus 6
Is
and
yeah,
power of 2.
when you did minus 6, right, you push your equation for the right side, so for the positive side.
6 minus.
Yeah, so it's minus 6 is plus 6. and plus 2 is still plus 2. So let's graph it to make sure you are not wrong. So guys, you can see the board, the graph now.
Yeah.
Now I
Yeah.
see. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's exactly the same formula, x minus x squared plus 2. And you see here is the vertex. So 6 plus 6 plus 2, right? If I change here
Okay.
for plus, oh, plus, see, go for the other side right away. Right? So now it's plus 6 plus 2. Now the vertex is minus 6 because here is minus plus 6 and plus 2 is still plus 2 over here. Right? So now, remember before it was really hard to find the equation when I have no roots. Now I can find the equation knowing the vertex, right? Okay, guys, makes sense.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So let's see now the whiteboard again. So let's see now. Let's imagine I find out I have this equation here, right? Yeah, I want to find the other way. So I do this is perfect square here. So x square minus 2 times 6 times 6. X is 12. X plus 6 squared is still 36. And plus 2 here, add, no? Wow, this number 2 here is regular as hell. So I have x squared minus 12 x. Sorry guys, I look like drunk, but I'm not. I hope.
Are you sure about that?
Yes, I have
I'm not.
a Coke Zero, I swear. So
I'm definitely not sure about myself either, but I'm definitely sure about nothing either.
now, if you graph x squared minus 12x plus 38, you're going to have exactly the same graph you have with this guy here, right? So let's go back for this guy here, and let's see if you can get here the y-intercept. Oh, see, 38.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see?
Mhm.
See, guys? So it's the same equation, represent the same parabola. But if, of course, we cannot do the, the factor form because we don't have roots, right? So we cannot do factor forms, right? So sometimes you can have it, sometimes you cannot have all 3 forms of an equation. Okay, guys, so far so good.
Yes.
Yeah.
Indeed.
Indeed, okay. Everybody is having a good time here.
Yeah,
That's an
kind of.
interesting one.
Sort of.
Such an interesting one.
Yeah, Lunita, everything's okay.
Yeah, everything's fine.
Okay. Matus, why you still with no microphone? Okay, Matus, everything's okay. Okay, so now that's it. Now, guys, if you have any question, just ask, right? So, Okay, now let's stop sharing this. I have some exercise for you guys. Let's open here. On your textbook, okay. Hold a minute, guys. I'm looking for. Oh, okay. That is completing the square. Okay. Now I know what I have to do. Okay, guys. Sometimes, right? Remember, we have some equations that was impossible to work with, right? Sometimes we cannot found any way of. So let's imagine x square plus 8x minus 3, right? If you try to find the factors of this, right, you'll be really hard because minus 3 is a prime number, is 1 and 3, and 3 is far away from 8. If I add 1 and 3 is 4, so we cannot find the factors. So why not? We can find another way to find factors for this, right? So we can complete the square. So what we know, if you make this part here, okay, what is missing to be a perfect square? Perfect square is x, right, square plus 2 times x times b, or let's put another letter here, times t, right, plus t squared.
Equals 0.
Well, just the form, right? So it's missing t here, but I have 8, right? 8. So here, a for me is 1, right? I don't have anything. So if I divide it by 2, I can say I have x squared plus 8x, right? 8x is 8 is 2. Oops, this is a 2, okay, guys? Times 4. Oops. Man, it's ugly as hell. So here I have plus, how much is 4 squared? 16. But up here, I don't have 16. How I can add 16 and mess up with my equation? So if I add 16, oh, why I have this? I can subtract 16 as well, right? So plus 16 minus 16 is 0. So I adding nothing to my equation. Then I still having minus 3 here, right? So now, what's this? Is x plus 4 squared, right? And now I have minus 16 minus 3 is minus 19. So this equation here is exactly the same or the top one. But this here is the standard form, and this one is the vertex form. So they represent exactly the same equation, right? Now I can graph it a little bit more easier because I have -4, -19 as my vertex, and I know the y-intercept is -3. So I have a few points that I can use, right? So I can graph or make a sketch of my graph a little bit easier, right? Okay. Makes sense, guys.
Yes.
Sort of.
Yeah,
Yeah, kind of.
yeah, kind of. Yeah, I know. So when they do some exercises, we go to understand that a little bit better. Is another way to solve or graph something that sometimes, because if you want, you can use the quadratic formula to find the factors here, or the roots, right? Not the factors, the roots, right? And then you can graph. But you can graph using -3, -4, and -19, right? So it's another way of doing this. Okay? So far, so good, guys.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, great. So I'm happy with this. So let's try a couple exercises here. Okay, let's see if we can share the screen here. Can you see here, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Can you try to do this? So complete the square.
Should we show it to you?
Well, you let me know what you found. Right? And then you do on my end here and on a piece of paper here, and we can compare results, right?
1027.
Pardon? 27,
1027.
27 and 28, both. Already done here, guys.
Oh, almost.
Almost, that's good.
Working on it.
Working on, that's good. What about you, Linda?
I'm
Done.
working on it.
I'm ready.
I've done.
You're ready? Almost done, okay.
What about you, Morales? Are you done?
I got
Finished?
It. I got it.
I will check him later on, don't worry. I will let you know, guys. Probably he don't know.
Lunita got disconnected, but she's coming back, she says.
Okay, she's not talking to me.
I think her internet isn't very good.
Yeah, her internet have the coronavirus too?
Yeah, the internet.
Samuel is texting that he didn't get anything.
Yeah.
He didn't get the link.
So who is missing beyond
Samuel.
Samuel and Adrian, right?
Yeah,
He said
And
he
also-
didn't get anything.
Ivana went to the.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Could you resend the link, Mr. Rubens, or I'll go do it from the computer to Samuel. He says he doesn't have it.
Well, I already sent it. Why he don't have it? Can you send it?
What? I need the link.
Oh, maybe you guys can share it with him.
What? Okay, okay. Let me find it.
No, I sent to everybody before. He didn't get his email.
I'm sending it.
Okay, thank you, buddy. Okay, so can I close this window here?
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, Let's come up here. So I have y2 plus 12y. So how I can complete
I
this?
just sent it to him.
Let's ask somebody here. Leo, what is the first line?
If I'm being honest, while I worked on this, I had no idea what I was doing.
Okay, so
I didn't really have anything.
I think I know.
that's Daniel, right? He always know. I know you know. What about Lunita?
I think I know.
Who said I know?
Me.
What about Lunita? You did?
Yes. Not yet because it cut me off and I just got in right now, so
Okay, so
I'm just figuring it out.
who said I know? Beyond Daniel.
Me.
Who is it?
Me.
Morales.
Simon. Okay, Simon. You did the first one. Okay, then Daniel.
I can raise my hand. Wait.
Okay. So, Simon, what do you have for the first line here?
Well, we know that half of 12 is 6.
Uh-huh.
So y squared plus 12y
Well,
and 6 squared is 36.
plus or minus?
Again,
Plus or minus?
plus
And
minus 36.
minus 36. Oh,
What?
And
okay. So,
now we
so Daniel, what is the third line here?
Is it? Wait.
What this
I
mean?
didn't understand it.
Wow, what I can do with it? So keep it going, Simon.
then we know that well,
This is a perfect.
y
This is a perfect
Yeah.
square, right? So
yes, so y plus 6 squared minus 36.
square minus 36. So this guy here is equals this guy here. So it's two different forms of the same equation, right?
Where did they find 36?
Because it's 12 divided by 2.
12 divided by 2.
I don't
is
see
6,
divided by 2.
and 6 on the second is 36.
Yeah, Daniel, however, when I did like, okay, that's it. A plus B square, right?
Yes.
This is
A in square plus 2ab plus b in square.
yeah, A square, oops, plus
But the first equation is not in the brackets and it's not in square.
B, oops, plus, when I try to make it
B
small,
square.
right? So what?
But the first equation is not.
Wait a minute. Here, A for me, right, is Y.
Okay.
One Y.
I see.
So it's one. So if I divide it, I make here 2 times 6 times Y, I go to have what? 12Y. So if I divided 12 by 2, you have exactly this guy here is square, right? Right? So if I divide it by 2A here, right? I have B. then I square b, you have 36, right?
Okay.
Yes, no. So I come from here to create. So here, up here, I do not have the perfect square. I have to add 36 to have the perfect square. Then, because I add 36, I have to subtract 36. Then I add in 0 to my equation. So do not change, because 3 plus 0 is still 3, right? So doesn't matter, right? So now here is not 6, it's b, right? Let's not b here, right? So here is 36, okay. Oh no, here is 6, sorry. B is here. Guys, you're making my life hard here. Huh? Okay, makes sense or not, guys?
It does make
Yes, I
sense.
agree.
Yes.
Everybody agree? Samuel,
Yeah.
why you so late?
Yes,
Why you so late?
because I didn't get any invitation from you. I was looking for it, but I didn't get anything from you.
But I
That's why.
by email for everybody. Did you?
Yeah, I checked the email, but I didn't get anything. So
Well, you check. Maybe I forgot.
I don't know because I didn't saw anything.
Well, okay. So, well, you're welcome anyway. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, they still have a few minutes of class. So, guys, who is still having doubts about this? Nobody?
No.
Okay. So, I hope you're not being too optimist. Where is here? Oops, sorry. Share screen. Let's see some exercises here. Okay. Okay, guys. So you have this. Can you see that?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So I like you guys to go over from 57 to 68, right? Sometimes I have fractions here, so I have to work a little bit with fractions, so it's a little bit challenge, but it's okay. So guys, I like you to work on these 12 exercises here, and you can start right now. You see, class, right? And then you have any question, you let me know. Then you finish as a homework for tomorrow. You can try, guys. Come to the next.
Let's try one together.
Yeah, you can, because tomorrow you don't have class online. So you can work on these exercises down here to 80. I think it's good enough. It's few hours already. So all this here that,
Question.
that
What page number are you on? Because I can't see it anywhere.
Top middle.
here,
Oh, got it.
right?
Okay, thank you. Just trying to remember that one.
Yeah, so the 57 to 80, right? You can start right now. I'm here waiting for any concern. When you finish this all for homework, you can write down, then you send me a picture after you did, right? Tomorrow, in the end of the class time. Okay?
Okay.
Just a
Okay.
second before you go. Just
No, you still having 10 minutes of class, so you can work right now. And if you have any concern, you let me know right now.
Let's try one together, like 57.
57, okay. So let me write down. 82 plus 10. Okay.
want to do 57.
But the problem is, when they go here, it's a mirror. See?
No, it's normal.
No, you see?
Yeah, we see it like that, but they see it normal.
Yeah, are you sure?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You guys see it normal? What number is this?
Yes. Five.
5.
5.
As a mirror. Okay, he want to do it. Okay.
So
It's 10 8 squared plus 10
let's bend in.
Yeah.
Can you guys see it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
8. Okay.
So I know that 10 divided by 2 equals 5. So I have to find 5 squared, which is 25, you know?
Wow, he's a good teacher. Oh.
Wait, what?
like it's his job or something.
Yeah, so weird.
2 equals 5, you know? 10 divided by 2 is 5.
Yeah, I see.
And then
Yes.
5 squared is 25.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, all right.
Somebody have a calculator to check it out?
Alright. 30 squared plus 10a plus 25 minus 25. You know, because this cancels out.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this cancels out. So it equals 0. It's the same thing. So now we have to square this
Create a perfect.
or create a perfect square. So it's a plus 5 squared minus 25.
Wow.
Wow.
You do the same, guys.
Yes.
Say, let's graph to see if that's true or not. Right? Everybody can see the graphs?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
So let's clean up all this mess here. So let's put here, x square plus 10x. Enter. And that makes it a little bit big, smaller. Oops.
Yeah.
All right. Now we go to graph the other one. So I have bracket x plus 5 square minus.
You have 5 squared, not the whole equation.
Oh yeah, sorry. Thank you. Square. Okay. Plus. See now they are exactly on top of each other. You see?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
See?
Yeah.
Exactly on top of each other. Right? So it's exactly the same equation, right? So they are totally different form, but represent the same parabola, right? Represent the same model, right? The same. And here, C, I have C is 0, so the y-intercept is 0 as well here. Can see? Okay. And I have -5, -25 as a stream here, right? Okay, guys. Makes sense?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Surprisingly, it does.
Yeah, great. So now I want you to try all the other questions, right? From 57 to 80. Right?
So far, so good.
The marker and didn't take it. Okay. Can you see here?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. Yes.
In my computer is everything is mirror. I don't know why.
Don't look at your computer.
Yeah, don't look at it. Okay. Really weird. Okay, guys.
Could you show us the questions again,
Hello.
please?
Again, man, this Russian guy is so geeky. Man.
Je to dobré? Kvůli signálu si žaluzie otvor. No tak to...
I'll take a picture of the questions.
Áno.
You have the book.
Tak to si daj na otvorené.
I got it. Okay.
You have the book. You have here, up here, the number of the
I
page.
have it. I got it.
Why you complicate if you can make it easy? Guys, before we go, we have 3 minutes. What do you think about this class, virtual class?
Well, it's better than getting assignments and then just figuring stuff out.
Yeah, that's certainly better. And now we can finally see the equations, not like last time.
No, I asking about the class itself. Is easier? Is more complicated? Is a pain?
I thought it will be worse. Actually.
Yeah, I thought that some people are gonna mute themselves and not gonna be here. And look, in the last few minutes, everybody is here.
Well, I think it's better than no classes, right? So
There is no better thing than no classes.
yeah. Well, I think I don't know how many you have before, like this, but that for me is the first time, right? We did Saturday morning with 2 people, a very short communication just to see if it works and works. So for me, first time, I think it was much easier than I was thinking. And it's going to improve our performance on these virtual classes or online classes. And I hope in a couple of weeks we are together again, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, guys. So, see
It's
you.
supposed to be done by today or by tomorrow.
No. All these questions up to 80, you do for tomorrow. So tomorrow.
And how do we send it to you? By
I-
email, or are you gonna make like an assignment?
No, you can send it by email. Take a picture of your
Okay.
pages, or if you type or whatever. But however, guys, I already find out it's easier if you send everything as a PDF. Then it's easier to print, nothing disappears. So if you can send as a PDF, it's better, right?
Okay.
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 If it's a picture, I think it's not a problem. But if you send a file, sometimes it's a Word or Excel, some numbers, some stuff disappear. I don't know why. So PDF
Ruben.
will be better. Okay, guys. So
Ruben,
yes.
I think it was a really cool class. And what I would suggest now is, because I know there was 1 or 2 students that were missing, just put in Google Classroom. Hopefully we can get a link to this. We might be able to upload it like on YouTube, but like private. And so you guys, only the people with the link can go see it, because we were recording this call.
I hope
Uh,
so.
I hope so.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I see.
Uh,
It's recording.
Sure. Yeah.
So on Google Classroom, we'll put what we went over. All right, just like one sentence of what you did, the assignment, and for when, and hopefully the link of this if it works. All right, but just do a recap on Google Classroom what happened.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay, guys. So tomorrow, I let you know when will be the next class. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Have fun, guys. See you in the future.
You too. See you.
Bye.
See you.